Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your ShellPoint Mortgage account. So let's get it started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in ShellPoint Mortgage. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as insight.shellpointmortgageservicing.com. In my case, it's the second one. So tap on it. And now you will be facing a form asking for your username and your password. So go ahead and type your username in the text field given for username. Then type your password in the text field given for password. You can click on this eye icon to see and verify whether you have typed in your password correct or not. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it by tapping on the text that says forgot password. Now to log into your ShellPoint account, all you gotta do is tap on this login button after you're done providing your username and password, and you will be successfully logged in if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. Give this video a thumbs up if you did and subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.